Remove the toner cartridge from the printer. This cartridge has a reset gear that must be in the correct position. Remove these two screws on the side on the cartridge. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. Remove the side panel. This is the reset gear. The reset gear must be in this position. Reinstall the side panel with the two screws. Remember, the starter cartridge has no reset gear. This cartridge has a chip too. The cartridge will work with the old chip, you just won't be able to keep track of the percentage life. Remove the old cartridge chip. Be careful, there are components on the back of the chip. Replace the chip into the new toner cartridge. Because it is an unused cartridge chip, you need to set your printer to ignore the replace toner message. Press Menu. General Setup will be displayed. Press OK. Press arrow up or down to display the replace toner option. Press OK. It will display the continue or stop option. Press arrow up or arrow down and select continue. Press OK. It will display accepted. Press arrow up or arrow down and choose General Setup. Press OK. Press arrow up or arrow down and choose Replace Toner. Press OK. Press arrow up or arrow down and choose Continue. Press Go.